Our 2,000-mile road trip is officially coming to an end. We started in Silver City, New Mexico, traveled through Amarillo, Texas, and made our way to Claremore, Oklahoma, where a near tire blowout almost brought our journey to a sudden stop. From there, we continued through St. Louis, Missouri, and Buckeye Lake, Ohio. After spending more than $1,500 on fuel, we finally made it to the place our family will be calling home for the summer. Stick around to find out where we end up and see the final stretch of our unforgettable journey.
Okay, guys.
We didn't think we were going to West Virginia.
We didn't think we were going to West Virginia. First time here in West Virginia. My name is Houston. If you guys are new, yeah, this is crazy, man. Never thought. So Olivia, she was asking, saying that these little states are hard to remember. For me, they're very hard to remember because I never thought in my whole life I would be here on the East Coast anywhere. Yeah. Literally, if I thought I would be anywhere, it would probably be North Carolina. Like North Carolina, back to Cheyenne, back to North Carolina, maybe in a plane. But exploring this is crazy. This place is beautiful. I'm excited that we're here. Very blessed that we're here. And by the grace of God, we kind of made it. So until then, thanks for watching. Later. We're going downhill. Oh, and if you guys see my tears in the camera, it's because I'm happy. I never really thought I would be here. This is freaking beautiful. This place is phenomenally green and just amazing. I'm excited.
24 miles to Pennsylvania. Did you think we were going to make it?
I never thought. Well, see, I knew we would make it, but a lot of people doubted that we would make it. A lot of people didn't think we were coming. A lot of people didn't think we would do it. But when I say I agree to something or I'll do something, I'm there and I show up every day. Yeah.
So from Arizona to PA.
So if you guys
miles.
are here, we made it 2,200 miles. It's kind of overwhelming, but it's kind of just awesome. I mean, with the fuel prices, everything the way it is, we made it. We're here. We had a little bit of a hectic in freaking Oklahoma, but through the grace of God, we still made it here. And I'm very happy that we have each other, because I think without any of us, without our little clan, I think a lot of people would have canceled. And yeah, we continued. We pushed through and we made it, baby.
Took us a week.
We're here. We made it. It's been a week. But look, 2,200 miles, 1 week with our kids. Our kids. And huge shout out to my buddy for bringing along Carter, dragging him along and doing that. So we made it, though. And if you guys are interested how we did it, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because we are rolling with the Sanchezs, a family of 7 that travels full time, and we go anywhere and do anything that we want to, because that's just who we are. Let's go.
We just had to do some crazy stuff because they don't tap here at the truck stop taps, babe. Right?
Yeah, it's lovely. People here are very they own a gas car and they park at a diesel pump. That makes no sense to me. Come on.
Babe, what's your song?
I own a gas car and I park on a diesel pump because I want to feel like a real man and pay. I don't know. Dude, Go park at a pump where you're paying like the $4 or the $4.69. Let us that are paying $5.59 pay the $5.59 or the $5.99, the $6, whatever it may be. There's people out here that are paying, so let us pay our diesel prices at our diesel pump. Get the heck out of the way. Come on, everybody. We just put $139.98, and we got 25 gallons. So
$139, $5.89. That was the cheapest we were gonna see forever. Okay, so our grand total is $1,538.37. $1,500.
$1,500. Let's go, babe. This is Dan's way.
Okay.
For a diesel pump.
Okay, for a You got it. You're good. You got driver's or passenger side? You're good. You're good, babe. Keep going straight back. Straight back, babe. Straight back. Yeah. You've got it. Just watch this ditch right here. Yep, perfect. Slow, slow, slow. Butt in, slow. Slow because of the bikes, babe. Yeah, slow because of the bikes. Yep, barely. You're good. Straight back.
That's what I said, man. I was telling him, get back in here.
It's crazy.
Well, at least it's away from all the drama.
Yeah. Electrical's right here, babe.
That one there doesn't work.
Okay.
There's the one on the other side here.
That's on that
Yeah,
side?
this one's-
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Babe,
I told you to back in, man.
this is electrical.
Yeah.
This is electrical, so we might want to come closer, right? Because we're going to have to throw... Yeah.
Okay.
I was showing them the hill you backed down. Is that even the half of it?
No, that's not even. That's just like 5% of it.
So we're gonna show you the whole hill that Houston had to back down to get our rig
Sit down.
from there to here. So this right here is where Houston started. He started right there.
I pulled, we came in this way.
And backed up.
And I pulled into where that Tahoe is and started backing down.
Yeah.
So
that whole way we just showed you guys is what Houston backed down.
The facilities manager at the time, he was new as well. He did not know the park very well, I don't think, and know that it was better to go the other way, and it would have been less back down for me, but I did it. And one of these days we will really count how many, like
how far it is. Yeah.
If it's 0.5.
Oh no, it's gotta be a mile.
I think it's a mile, but maybe I'll walk it tonight, run it or something, and see. But until then, like, subscribe, show your friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button, and well, we got a lot of stuff in store for you guys. A lot of things have happened, and it's kind of weird. Did we really make it to the great state of Pennsylvania? We did. What are you doing down here? Now we got Pennsylvania, just like that. What's going on, everybody? We're here in Pennsylvania, and I've been work camping for a little over 3 months at a Jellystone. I work here at a Jellystone for the Yogi Bear himself. And it's kind of cool, to be honest. And you're probably wondering what the heck this is. Don't worry about that. We'll get to that in a later video. But right now, what I want to tell you guys is I can't thank you enough for being here and enjoying this with us and just spending some time. So we've been in Pennsylvania for a little over 3 months. We've been work camping for Jellystone, and it's awesome. I love it. I started off as maintenance too, and then I moved over. I made a transition. I moved over. I went from maintenance to food and beverage supervisor, and I love it. I have great. It's just, yeah, I love where I work, and I wouldn't. And I'm just excited for what the heck goes on in the coming months or the next season or the next year, because it does close for the winter. So we're gonna have to see what we do. Maybe go back. I don't know. Olivia and I bought this. I know it needs a little bit of work, but we're gonna get it all fixed up. No, I don't know how bad if the internal gears are jacked up or if they're not. So come along with us. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys on the next video, because I got to get working on this thing because Silviano really wants it done. So I got to go.